Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a circle drawing. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. You know that drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words. And it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a blank piece of paper into a whole new world. With just a few strokes, you can create a delicate flowers, powerful ideas. Drawing a circle is like making a round shape on paper. To do this, you start at one point and then move your pencil all the way around in a curved line until you make back to where you started. The circle is smooth and does not have any corners. It looks like a simple and perfect round. Drawing circles is a basic but important skill in art and can be done with the steady hand and a little practice. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it.